Welcome to day 15 of our 100 Days Python Coding Challenge. Today we're diving into a fascinating programming problem, creating an inverted right-angled triangle using Python. Challenge task: given a number m, write a program to print an inverted right-angled triangle of m rows. Using numbers starting from one note, there is a space after every number, input. The input will be a single line containing an integer representing m output. The output should be m rows containing numbers starting from 1 as an inverted right-angled triangle, shown in the sample output. What you'll gain: sharpen your Python skills, level up your coding logic, explore fun coding challenges, join a growing coding community. Sample input and output are also be given for your reference. Stay updated with daily coding challenges, enhance your problem-solving skills, unlock Python tips and tricks, dive into real-world Python applications, engage with the community, drop your solution in the comments, share your thoughts, and connect with fellow learners. Together, we're building a supportive coding community. Let's learn together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.